Hello, my friend, and welcome. My name is Stephanie Lillian, and this is Ask Steph. Every week, I answer your yoga and meditation questions. The question for this week is, where should I meditate? So we're talking meditation here today, and if you're diving into your practice, where the heck do you start your meditation practice? So when you're thinking about meditation, generally people are either sitting or laying down. So I like to recommend that you begin to find a place in your house that you can set up a tiny little quiet space. So keep in mind the type of meditation you're going to be doing and the posture that you're going to be taking. If you're going to be laying down, maybe you have a space big enough, maybe about 6 feet long by a couple feet wide. If you're sitting, you need a much smaller space. But I highly recommend, if you are seriously thinking about starting a meditation practice, that you find a space in your home, assuming you're doing it in your home, that you can allocate to your practice, that you can keep set up no matter what, whether you're there or not. So maybe you find a tiny corner in your home and you set up just a small altar, maybe with a picture of a loved one or a dedication or just some things that evoke love and happiness for you. You can also set it up in a whole room that's allocated for your practice. Depends on how much space you have in your home. You can meditate truly anywhere, but finding somewhere that's generally quiet and has reduced distractions will enhance your meditation practice. While in real life, life is noisy. There's distractions. If you're meditating in your home, you're bound to hear others walking around, neighbors outside, and that's okay. We use those distractions to tune in even further towards ourselves. So if you're going through your house, take a moment and just start to think, where do you find peace in certain rooms? Do you prefer to be in your bedroom? Do you prefer to be in an office space? And then begin to think about that space. Where can you set up, maybe if you're seated or laying down, enough space that can stay set up? Because it's when we have that allocated space, we're more likely to return to it rather than thinking like, oh, we have to set it up again every time. Once you have that idea, have some fun. Create your little meditation space. So maybe you have a cushion and, like I mentioned, a nice altar, some candles. Make it fun. Make it a place that you want to return to. If you're not at the stage that you want to set up a place in your home, think about simply how or where you can begin your meditation practice. Maybe it's right before you drive home from work, you just take a couple moments to close your eyes and come back to center in your car. You can meditate truly anywhere, but if you are thinking of really cultivating a practice, I highly recommend that, assuming you're practicing in your home, you start in your home, you set up a place, a small corner in front of a wall, wherever it is, that you can return to and that can stay set up over time. Let me know if you have any questions where it comes to where you should meditate. There are definitely studios that offer meditation as well, but this is more geared towards if you're meditating in your home. So find a cozy place, set up a place that you want to return to, and get started there. I hope this helps you decide where to set up your meditation practice. Thank you for joining me here today. I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Namaste.